Hey everybody, just wanted to give you guys a quick channel update and tell you about an upcoming trip to Tennessee that my wife and I are going on. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit, but first I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has watched my channel and supported the channel, commented, liked, shared my different videos. I just want to say how much I really appreciate you guys, and it's just been an amazing journey on YouTube the last couple years, and it's been just really encouraging hearing from you guys, hearing how much you've learned or how much information you guys have given me. I've learned so much from you guys as well, so just really wanted to say thank you. And because of everybody's support, I've been able to buy a real camera. So the camera that I'm filming on right now, it's a Canon M50. It's a really cool little camera with a nice lens on there now. So I'm starting to slowly upgrade the way I'm making my videos to make it more and more professional. And I just have a lot of big dreams for this channel and what it can be going into the future. My dream is to make a lot more documentary style films about farming and about other farmers and different topics surrounding health and food. And that's my ultimate dream going into the future, and having this newer, nicer camera is part of that. And it's a whole nother learning curve because for over 100 videos I've made them all on my cell phone. So thank you guys for buying through my links, supporting me on Patreon, sending me money through PayPal. All the different ways that you guys have supported, or just even sharing my videos, is huge. Watching the ads, thank you guys so much, and I'm really excited to see what comes next. Some upcoming episodes to look forward to. I have got a couple interviews that I did with one of the big teachers of Korean natural farming, Eric Weinhardt, and I did an interview with Youngsung Cho, who is the son of Master Cho, who was the original creator of natural farming, and he created Jadam, which is a really fascinating low-cost organic agriculture system that he even shows us ways to create our own organic pesticides, and he's got a fantastic book out all about it. So bringing you guys some really cool interviews coming soon. Gonna be doing I already shot it. I did a whole garden tour video so you guys can see what's been going on, all the different things. This has been the best season ever for me, the most amount of food I've ever grown, the most money I've ever made from growing food. So lots of stuff to touch on there with you guys coming up in upcoming episodes. And I've just been really busy just making the farm work and growing everything and maintaining it and selling it and all of that. So sorry I haven't been as prolific as getting out my videos as I used to be. But as I get through a little more of the summer here, I'll be able to go back to doing 2 or 3 videos a week again like I used to. Alright, so now here's the Tennessee trip that I kind of mentioned earlier. So I've talked about this in some other videos, but my wife and I are looking to move from California at some point, and we've done tons of research, we've looked at different states, and Tennessee is one of our top choices. So what we're going to do is actually go visit Tennessee. There's lots of reasons why we want to move from California: laws, taxes, the ability to buy a much cheaper home in a state like Tennessee, lower property taxes, just more freedom overall, a bigger agricultural community is there, tons of different reasons, but ultimately, we want to own land, and doing that in Southern California especially is just not doable. It's not affordable in any sort of way. So especially as a farmer. So what we're doing is we're going to be coming to Tennessee September 7th through the 21st. We're going to be visiting Nashville, Chattanooga, and Knoxville, and those are the 3 big cities in Tennessee. So what we're doing is we're going to each one of those, and then we're looking around those cities about 45-50 minutes outside of that area, and all around we're taking 2 weeks, so we're gonna look and explore as much as we possibly can, really get a feel for these different cities and the surrounding areas, and try to figure out, is this a place that we could see ourselves living for a while, for a long-term period of time. So I wanted to reach out to you guys and see if there's anybody in the Nashville, Chattanooga, or Knoxville area that ideally are market gardeners or farmers that would like to host us. And so, you know, we're looking for a place that we could stay. We're gonna have our own rental car. We can pay for our own food, all that sort of stuff. But we're looking to stay with a family who's doing something similar to what I'm doing, because I think we could share a lot of information between each other. You'd be able to help us really kind of figure out the area and, you know, tell us your experience of how you've enjoyed living there. And what I'd like to do for you in exchange is make at least one or more videos about your market garden, you know, how you guys got into it, what you're doing. It'll be, you know, somewhat similar to some of the other tour videos that you've seen. Maybe we can talk about something special that you're doing on your farm that you'd like to touch on. And this is a way that we can promote your farm and your brand on your social media. It might be a good video that your customers would like to see as well. And I'd also like to offer any sort of consultation I can give you for your market garden if that's something that you're interested in. So if that sounds interesting to you and something that you would like to consider, please send me an email to my email steven@naturesalwaysright.com, and I'll put that down in the description so that's easy and there's no misspellings or anything, and get back to me on that, and we can kind of discuss further if this is something that you'd like to do with us. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for this quick little channel update and announcement. I'll be doing lots of filming in Tennessee while we're there. I got to be careful though. My wife told me this isn't a YouTube trip. This is a trip to figure out if we like Tennessee enough to move there. So I'll probably only be filming with the people that hopefully we stay with, and maybe I can get another video in. So I want to show you at least some of our trip. Maybe I'll do a little vlog style video kind of about the different cities so you guys can see what it looks like too, and some of the beautiful landscapes that are in Tennessee.